Hey everybody, it's Brent in Arkansas. We're going to do another grow, continuing with the organic attempt to get as good as the Master Blend Hydroponic fertilizer, water soluble. It's probably never going to happen, but we need to get somewhere close if we can. I did see some promise when I added 5 tablespoons of liquid kelp in the kelp versus the latest kelp versus. So I'm going with a full cup now, and that is 3 times more. I put 5 tablespoons, and this is a cup or 16 tablespoons, so it's a little bit over 3 times. 3 times 5 tablespoons equals a cup. So I'll get my math right there. My measurements. Also, I got some powdered micronized azomite I'm going to add to it. I've zeroed it out here. That's what the -2's there. That zeroed out the cup, and we're going to put, should be 60 grams. Yep, we're going to put 60 grams in the kelp. Probably shouldn't have done that. Splashed. And we're going to mix it up, and we're going to add it to them right there. 1 for each one. Now I know this azomite is basically superfine rock. It's going to settle, and if it settles, that's fine. It may still impart something to it. We will see, and that's what we're checking. There we go. 2 gallons to start the grow. Alright, this time we're going to use Georgia collards. And we're going to go with 40 grams for a side-by-side. Anyway, 40 grams a side-by-side each one. Kelp versus nutrient. Seed on. Now for cover, weight, and dome. This is the kelp side. First time growing collards. There's definitely some uneven germination, so we'll see what happens with that as time goes on. That's the same germination issue as on the nutrient side as well. So nutrient, kelp. You see some spots here that aren't germinating. There's kelp seems, the nutrient seems to be better. Nutrient, kelp. And the nutrient has got more consistent germination throughout. And there was some issue with germination here. It's starting to come on a little bit. But the thing that's kind of promising right now is that the height of this area right here is somewhat comparable to this, so I'm really anxious to see if this is getting enough of what it needs. Alright, that's what they look like today, and I know this one looks a lot better, but if you've seen the previous ones before, water and the first batch of kelp, this one actually looks really good. And if you get down close and you don't compare them, this is actually a good looking grow. It's only when you compare it, it's not. Here they are side by side. We're going to harvest them today. You can tell this one's significantly above the edge. And the cotyledons aren't as big as this one, but this one's still a really nice grow. Even though we had some spots here that had to play catch up. So I'm going to take this one first, and we'll get a weight on it and harvest it, and then we'll come back and we will do this one. Alright, same process, same weigh in. Glass on here to raise up the microgreens. Empty tub, just like the one the microgreens are in. Zero it out. Let's put it on grams first. Zero it out. Now, the one with the microgreens will tell us the exact way the microgreens minus the tub. We can get it centered on there. 630 grams, 22.2 ounces. And now, I'll turn the camera a little bit for the other one. Turn it back to grams. Oop. All right, 427 grams, 15.05 ounces.